Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing my latest purchases. This is a collective haul and try on vlog, and I hope that you will like it and will find it interesting. By the way guys, please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it, and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. These are some purchases that I got in Singapore and in Hong Kong as well. And by the way guys, I previously posted 2 shopping vlogs, which I'll link down for you in case you want to check them out. I will start with the recent gift that I received from Cleef Arpels from my lovely SA. It was such a lovely surprise and she's so sweet. I received this beautiful fan and it's so cute. I love the design. Next up is my recent purchase from Hong Kong, the Roger Vivier shoes that I spotted, and they only had 1 pair of shoes in my size in the whole country, which is amazing. I love Roger Vivier shoes, they're so comfortable and I have so many pair and I keep wearing them non-stop. They practically feel like sleepers. Actually, I never purchased such a small heel. I usually go for 7 centimeters, but these ones look very comfortable. I love the color. It's going to match my cardigan and my belt that I have recently purchased from Hermès. I will also link down the unboxing vlog in case you want to have a look. There was also another pair of shoes in a similar color but in patent leather. They were stunning, a bit darker, but I prefer the softer leather like this one. It feels a lot more comfortable. Moving on to Hermes purchases. I spotted these ones by accident and I'm just so in love with them. I'm so glad that my lovely SA managed to get me this in a size 34. The fit is perfect. I'm also gonna try this on and show to you as well. I was looking for a perfect pair of shorts and I was struggling because many of them either have unpleasant fit or the fabric is not what I want it to be. These ones are just so flattering. I love this shade. It's my favorite color nowadays. It also matches the sweater that I purchased from Hermes as well. I will try it on together and show to you. Such a stunning color. I love this design and it's my second pair of shorts from Hermes and I have been wearing the other pair literally non-stop. That's why I wanted to get another one. I think Hermes makes this in different colors, so I think I will also collect other ones in the future. And this is how they look on me. By the way, these ones are 96% cotton, which is great, and 4% elastine. And they have a double lining, which is 100% cotton. And these ones are dry clean only, which is most of Hermes clothes, but that's fine. Actually, one time I washed my other pair of shorts and they were fine, nothing happened to them, but it's not recommended. I just literally spilled juice on them and I had no choice but to wash them very quickly and it was fine, no issues whatsoever. It will be so easy to style the shorts. This will go so well with my cream tops. I have a lot of tops, sweaters, t-shirts. I love this color. I'm practically obsessed with it nowadays. And the next item from Hermes is actually in a very similar color. Actually, I would say it's pretty much the same shade. And I'm so in love with it. I think I said in love several times, but I'm really in love with it. Anyways, I'm so happy that I finally have this. I know that I'll be reaching for them very often. I'm trying to buy items that I will wear as often as possible to make sure that the cost per wear of these items is going to be as low as possible. This beautiful scarf is quite long and I love that it's so subtle. I can also wear it to work. It's like a quiet luxury, which is perfect. You can see how big it is. It's so beautiful and I can also pair it with the white for a contrast. But I just wanted to show you how it would look with my other cream items. I know that I'll be reaching for it all the time. I will wear it to work, during the weekends, and when traveling for sure because it's so convenient. And I just love the shade of the color. Next up is a Loewe purchase, and I'm so glad that I was able to score this one because I was told that this top will be discontinued in this particular fabric, and I love this fabric. It's in cotton. It feels so good on my skin, and the fit is very nice and flattering as well. I will also show to you how it looked on me in the store. I also want to get this one in a black color because I think it was very flattering too. And I got this one in a size extra small. And by the way, guys, here is the tag in case you're interested in this or maybe you want to inquire in the store. And this is how it looked on me. So cute, and I know that it will be so easy to style it. It would look fantastic with shorts, with skirts, with jeans, with trousers. I just love this. This top is perfect for a hot Singapore weather. It's just so nice and so comfortable and feels really good on my skin. I also managed to pick up something from Hong Kong Chanel Beauty. And I wasn't able to get this in Singapore for a while, so when I saw them, I knew that I have to get them right away. And by the way, it seems like my assistant for today is so excited about these items. I wanted to get this particular color for a really long time, but every single time I went to the store, it was out of stock, like literally for years, which is quite amazing. And when we went to Hong Kong, I decided to go to the store and ask about it, and luckily they had the stock. This is a beautiful color. It looks like mother of pearl and it has pink undertone, which is quite pretty. I like to use it on its own or to mix it with the light gray color from Chanel as well. For some reason, Chanel never has my favorite lipsticks. I have been looking for them literally for like a year. And I managed to find a similar shade. By the way, guys, I previously posted a video about my favorite beauty products. I will link it down in the description box below in case you want to check it out. This one is a bit darker, but I think it's okay. It still suits me. And I love the fact that this lipstick stays on literally for hours. I was also given this tester. I tried it on before and my skin responded quite well to it. Maybe I should buy a bottle of it. It's not bad, that's for sure. And the last but not the least is a small gift for my assistant for today. She has been quite patient. Anyways, guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching and I hope that you liked this video and found it interesting. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, Black and Gold Style. Have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!